How you doing? My name is Trenius Henderson. You're tuned into the infamous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. So in this video, I'm about to tell you how you can start your own YouTube channel today. And if you start your YouTube channel, you could eventually quit your job and begin to earn easy money. I'm talking about passive income. I'm talking about getting paid while you sleep. Okay, this is the type of revenue and income opportunities that YouTube provides for content creators like yourself. Okay, so hats off to all the REM team millionaires out there, everybody who's an entrepreneur. And if you've been looking for a platform to really branch out and to start earning money and to start living your dreams and being more happy throughout your whole life, this is the platform right here that you want to use. YouTube is the second biggest platform behind Google, okay? Social media is the new way to success nowadays. I mean, everybody's looking on their phone. When you're on the train, people are looking at their phone. When you're walking down the street, people are looking at their phone. When you're in the grocery store, people are looking at their phones 24/7, 365. And I can guarantee you 9 times out of 10, they are on either YouTube or they are on either Facebook or Instagram. Okay, so social media is the new way. So I'm about to tell you some of the benefits of starting your own YouTube channel and how you can quit your job and you can start being a YouTube creator and earn easy money, okay? So first and foremost, folks, again, my name is Trenius Henderson. I am a life coach. I've been life coaching for 2 years here on YouTube. My channel has been active for 4 years. Okay, so I'm like a little mini veteran at YouTube. I've learned the secrets, the ins and outs of how to get the algorithm to tick on YouTube. Something that a lot of starter channels do not know. I know all of the secrets on how YouTube promotes your content and how you can get your content to reach hundreds of thousands of people. Okay, I'm at a point right now on my YouTube journey where I get at least 30 subscribers a day. Okay, and that number is only increasing day by day by day by day. Okay, but the basics of YouTube is how you get paid on YouTube depends on how consistent you are. Okay, how passionate you are about what it is that your content is all about. Okay, but to be monetized, which is to start getting paid on YouTube, the only thing that you have to have in order to start getting Google checks, in order to start getting Google AdSense checks, all you have to have is 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Now, 4,000 hours of watch time is really easy to get on YouTube. Just think about how many people would watch your videos, just think about how many people watch your videos per day, okay? Those hours will build up really quick and you'll have 4,000 hours of watch time amongst hundreds of people really super fast, okay? And the same thing with 1,000 subscribers. It's so easy to get 1,000 subscribers. That's why they made the number so low, okay? So if you were able to get 1,000 subscribers, I think I had 1,000 subscribers like the first 10 months, you know what I mean, of starting my YouTube journey. But when you get 1,000 subscribers and then you get 4,000 hours of watch time, then YouTube will start monetizing every single video that you upload to the YouTube platform, and you immediately start getting Google checks every single month. Now, depending on how good you are in front of the camera, I wasn't as good on the camera as I am now when I first started, so it's part of the process. But depending on how good you are on the camera, how passionate you are about the content that you're creating, that'll be the degree of how your checks will be, okay? So if you're really good at this, if you're really good at promoting beauty, okay? Promoting beauty, being a coach, counselor, if you do tarot card readings, if you're into health, if you're into fitness, if you're a singer, you're into entertainment, depending on how much influence you have and how much people like you, is the level of money, the amount of money you're gonna get on your check every single month with Google. Doesn't that sound good? That's so easy. I get a Google check every month, and it always goes up every month. It always goes up. My revenue is increasing every month. The more subscribers you get, the more your Google check and by AdSense is gonna go up as well. So it's like I said, it's a passive income. It's constantly increasing. As long as you're able to create content, as long as you're able to create good videos, okay, that people that watch you like, then you will be successful on YouTube. It's not hard at all. As a matter of fact, the only thing that you need to get started on YouTube is, number one, a laptop, okay, and a cell phone. Preferably, you need a Samsung Android phone, you know, a decent looking camera. I remember I started out with my Samsung phone, okay? Or if you have an iPhone, that's even better. If you have an iPhone and you have a laptop and you have at least an hour on your hands every single day and you're passionate about something, you should be a YouTube content creator. I know for those of you who've been following me and have been wondering, you know, what it is that you could do, and you've probably been liking me talk on the camera and tell you inspirational and motivational things. You're like, I can do that too. That's your calling. You should become a YouTube content creator, and you should start making easy money. You don't even have to go anywhere. You can quit your job and start making easy money, being on a camera, giving people productive information that they can use to help better their lives in whatever you're planning to do being a YouTube creator. Okay, I know when I quit my job, it was a leap of faith, but it all worked out for me. It all turned out good. My checks started to come regularly like they were every month, but it started to be more money because I had more time on my hands, you know, and then I was able to create my programs and my classes and my courses. So if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I'm gonna offer you like this great YouTube course that nobody else gets. I didn't even get a YouTube course when I first started. I had to struggle. Okay, I had to struggle and find out the hard way of how to navigate through the wilderness of YouTube. Okay, but anyway, so I quit my job and I live a much happier life right now. I feel good. I'm much more healthier. I'm stress-free. I don't have to worry about anybody over my shoulders telling me what to do. I don't have to report to the job. I don't have to clock in or nothing. I believed in something that I wanted to do with my life, and then I used YouTube to help create this avenue of revenue, of income, and living a much more happy, fulfilled life where I'm able to travel. I'm able to go any place I want right now, do what I want to do, and still be making money at the same time. It's wonderful. You should definitely become a YouTube content creator, okay? And so the reason why I'm making this video is because I've come to a point on my journey where not only I offer my life coaching services to clients and whatnot, but I also coach YouTube creators. People who've came to me, been humble enough to say, Trenius, I need your help. I like what you're doing. I just really need your help. Can you help me get my business off the ground? I want to create videos on YouTube. And it makes me feel so good. And I'm so inspired to have people like you who would like to become a YouTube content creator, because I have friends I can talk to who do what I do. Okay, I'm really professional at, SEO optimization is something that you need to know here on YouTube. I know all of the programs you can use in order to create these fancy thumbnails that you see before you click the video. You know, I'm really fundamental when it comes down to creating titles for your video. I know exactly what YouTube is looking for when it comes to the keyword of creating your titles. You know, I'm a really great writer. I can show you how to write out your descriptions. I can practically just basically have your channel be a major success in the first year of even signing up for my course. Okay, I'm really that good. I've helped several content creators right now some right now that I help, but I helped some in the past who have also been able to quit their jobs and to live their passion and being a YouTube content creator, and they're more happier than ever before. Okay. As a matter of fact, I just talked to a guy yesterday who was interested in starting his motorcycle channel, and I'm going to be helping him become successful on his YouTube journey as well. So if you're an entrepreneur out there, maybe you have a channel already and you have not gotten this channel off the ground the way you would like, and you need that extra help, you need that extra boost, that momentum, and you haven't started really making money enough to be able to really quit your job, come see me, folks. I'm gonna make it to where you don't have any choice but to quit your job, because you're gonna be making money on YouTube as soon as you get this secret knowledge that I possess, that I can tell you to really make your channel a success almost overnight. Okay, 5 times faster than what I had to do it as. Like 5 times faster than when I first started out on YouTube. I will tell you everything that I know now that I didn't know then. So there you have it. And so what I want to do, folks, is I want to offer you, if you're a REM team member watching this video, that's including YouTube, I want to offer you my YouTube course. First and foremost, I want to know who's an entrepreneur out there. If you're an entrepreneur, by a show of hands, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're trying to be self-made entrepreneur, get this video a thumbs up right now. Get this video a thumbs up right now. Only if you are an entrepreneur. You got to be honest. You have to be an entrepreneur. Okay, get this video a thumbs up if you're an entrepreneur. All right, so what I want to do is I want to offer you my inexpensive YouTube course. Okay, I have videos that I need to send you on how to start your YouTube channel and all that stuff. And I'm willing to give it to you for nearly nothing, because I already have the content of how to create your channel and all that ready to go, unlisted. And I'm going to send it to you if you are willing to become an entrepreneur, you're willing to become a content creator here on this platform. If you're ready to earn easy money and you're ready to come out that workforce, that 9-to-5 lifestyle, I'm here to assist you to be able to do that. And I'm going to just give you the course. Okay, I'm going to give you the course. We're going to talk. We're going to set up some time to talk. I'm going to run down all the information that you need to know about YouTube. You're going to get it like a light bulb. Your life is going to change and everything is going to go upstream from that point on. Okay, so if you're interested in my YouTube course, comment below in the comment section, say, I want YouTube course. Okay, just simply comment below if you're interested in becoming a content creator today. Okay, today. Okay, this is your special day. This is your breakthrough opportunity, folks, to start your own thing. I want to become a YouTube content creator, or just make it be known in the comment section. However you want to word it, just say, I need YouTube courses now. Okay, I need it today. So speak up, let your voice be heard, folks. When you do that, I'm going to send you my email as I normally do. Or if you want to beat everybody else to the punch, send me the email. And it's like the first 20 people. What I normally do is the first 20 people that hit me up and they want this course, I'm going to give it to them before I give it to anybody that comes a little later than that. Okay, so this is completely inexpensive. I just want to help you, REM team members, people that follow me, be able to quit their jobs, come out of doing things that they don't love, and start doing something more fulfilling, something more passionate, and something that earns you passive income. Okay, where you get paid every day and you get paid while you sleep. Okay, so I'm Trenius Henderson, folks. I am your life coach. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is how you start your YouTube channel today. Quit your job, earn easy money with me by getting this YouTube course right now. All right, I'll see you in the email. Peace.